Welcome to our guide on conquering back pain with simple stretching exercises. If you're among the millions who suffer from persistent back discomfort, you know how it can affect every aspect of your life. The good news is that relief is within reach through the power of stretching. Not only can these exercises alleviate pain, but they also improve posture and reduce tension, helping you move with ease and confidence. Imagine a daily routine that prevents stiffness, enhances flexibility, and sets you on a path to a healthier back. Stretching offers just that, an effective, accessible solution that fits seamlessly into your lifestyle. In this video, we'll explore key stretches that target different areas of the back, each designed to bring you comfort and mobility. From the soothing child pose to the invigorating cat-cow stretch, we'll guide you through each movement step by step. So let's begin this journey towards a pain-free life, where just 5 minutes a day can make all the difference. Stay with us as we dive into the world of stretching and discover how to reclaim your comfort and freedom. Let's dive into the child pose, an exceptional stretch for easing tension in your lower back. Start by kneeling on the floor with your big toes touching and knees spread apart. Slowly lower your torso between your knees and extend your arms forward, palms facing down. Feel the gentle stretch along your spine and breathe deeply, allowing any built-up stress to melt away. This pose not only relieves back tension, but also promotes relaxation and mental clarity. Hold this position for a few breaths, noticing how each inhalation expands your back and each exhalation deepens the stretch. Gradually return to a seated position, ready to embrace the next stretch with renewed focus and ease. As you move through these exercises, remember that each pose is a step toward a pain-free back and a more balanced posture. Next, we'll explore the cat-cow stretch, further enhancing your spine's mobility and flexibility. By incorporating these movements into your routine, you're taking proactive steps toward a healthier back and a more confident posture. Let's continue this journey to better back health together. Next, let's dive into the cat-cow stretch, a dynamic exercise that enhances spine mobility and flexibility. Begin by positioning yourself on all fours, ensuring your hands are directly under your shoulders and your knees beneath your hips. As you inhale, arch your back, allowing your belly to drop towards the floor while lifting your head and tailbone upwards. This is the cow position. Feel the gentle stretch along your spine. Now, as you exhale, round your back like a cat, tucking in your chin and tailbone. This is the cat position. Repeat this fluid movement several times, coordinating with your breath. The cat-cow stretch not only increases flexibility, but also relieves tension in the spine, making it a perfect addition to your daily routine. This exercise is particularly beneficial for those experiencing back pain or seeking to improve their posture. Next, we'll explore the seated forward bend, focusing on stretching the hamstrings and lower back. Now, let's move to the seated forward bend. This stretch specifically targets your hamstrings and lower back, providing essential relief and flexibility. Start by sitting on the floor with your legs extended straight in front of you. Keep your spine straight and slowly bend forward from your hips, reaching towards your toes. Remember, it's important to breathe deeply and relax into the stretch, allowing your body to gently fold further with each exhalation. As you hold this position, you should feel a gentle stretch along your hamstrings and a soothing release in your lower back. This simple yet effective movement can significantly enhance your flexibility and alleviate tension. Make sure to come out of the stretch slowly, returning to an upright position, and take a moment to notice the difference in how your body feels. By incorporating this stretch into your routine, you're taking a proactive step towards reducing back pain and improving overall posture. Next, we'll explore the standing back extension, a powerful exercise to counteract slouching and further support your journey to a pain-free back. Finally, let's dive into the standing back extension, a powerful stretch to counteract slouching. This exercise stands out for its simplicity and effectiveness in promoting better posture. Begin by standing tall with your feet shoulder-width apart, ensuring a stable base. As you inhale deeply, gently arch your back, allowing your chest to lift upwards and your shoulders to naturally fall back. This motion creates a subtle yet significant extension of your spine. Hold this position for a few seconds, feeling the release of tension in your back and shoulders. Remember to breathe steadily as you maintain the stretch. This simple movement can make a profound difference in your posture, helping to alleviate the strain caused by prolonged sitting or slouching. With consistent practice, you'll notice improved alignment and reduced back discomfort. Stay tuned as we continue our journey through these transformative stretches, empowering you to take control of your back health. Next, we'll explore how you can integrate these exercises into a daily routine for maximum benefit. Let's keep moving towards a pain-free future together. As we reach the end of our journey, let's reflect on the incredible benefits of daily stretching. Just 5 minutes each day can be transformative, helping to alleviate back pain and improve your posture. With consistent practice, these simple exercises become a powerful tool in your wellness routine, offering relief and flexibility. Imagine starting each day with renewed energy and confidence, knowing you've taken a proactive step towards a healthier back. By incorporating these stretches into your daily routine, you'll not only reduce discomfort, but also enhance your overall quality of life. The child pose, cat-cow stretch, seated forward bend, and standing back extension each play a crucial role in easing tension, enhancing mobility, and counteracting the effects of modern sedentary lifestyles. Now is the time to embrace this change. Let the momentum you've gained today propel you forward. Commit to just 5 minutes a day and witness the difference it makes. Feel empowered by the control you have over your own well-being. So why wait? Start today and feel the transformation. Subscribe to our channel for more quick skill mastery tips that fit seamlessly into your busy life. Remember, just 5 minutes a day can keep back pain away. We're here to support you on this journey. Thank you for joining us, and we look forward to guiding you towards a healthier, more vibrant you.